Welcome back to the CR Auto channel, everyone. Today we are diving into a detailed review of the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser, a name that has always stood strong in the world of off-road capability, luxury, and durability. The 2026 model takes things to a whole new level with updated styling, improved technology, powerful performance options, and an interior that blends tradition with modern comfort. So let's jump straight into everything this new Land Cruiser brings to the table. Starting with the exterior, Toyota has clearly taken a bold yet refined approach. The 2026 Land Cruiser carries a more muscular stance with wider wheel arches, a taller nose, and a sharper LED lighting signature that gives it a modern identity. The front grille is redesigned with a cleaner, more premium look while still keeping that rugged character Land Cruiser fans love. The new aerodynamic lines along the doors and roof give this SUV a sleeker profile, improving both efficiency and highway stability. The wheels get a fresh design too, with larger alloys that instantly enhance its presence on the road. Overall, the exterior of this model reflects strength, sophistication, and off-road readiness all at once. Moving to performance, Toyota has engineered this model to deliver both power and reliability. The 2026 Land Cruiser features a strong turbocharged engine paired with an advanced automatic transmission that is smoother and more responsive than before. Off-road performance gets a significant upgrade thanks to the new terrain control system, improved suspension, and enhanced 4x4 technology. Whether you are tackling city streets, long highway drives, or remote mountain tracks, the Land Cruiser maintains its reputation as a beast built to conquer anything. Its acceleration feels confident, the steering is more precise, and the braking system has been fine-tuned to handle the SUV's massive capability. Fuel efficiency is also improved, making it a more practical choice for daily use without compromising on strength. Toyota has clearly focused on giving drivers the perfect mix of power, comfort, and adventure-ready performance. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Land Cruiser feels like a luxurious lounge built for long journeys. The materials are more premium, with soft-touch surfaces, refined stitching, and a layout that feels both modern and familiar. The seats offer exceptional comfort, with electric adjustments, ventilation, and improved cushioning that make long drives effortless. The dashboard hosts a large touchscreen infotainment system with advanced connectivity, navigation, and wireless integration for your devices. Toyota has also added a fully digital driver display that shows off-road data, speed, navigation, and safety alerts in a clean and easy-to-read format. Passenger space is generous, and the third row offers better legroom than previous models, making it more practical for families. The sound insulation has been improved, so the cabin stays quiet even at high speeds, and the ambient lighting adds a pleasant touch of elegance to nighttime driving. When it comes to price, Toyota positions the 2026 Land Cruiser in the premium full-size SUV category, offering excellent value for the durability and features it provides. Depending on the variant and optional packages, the price may vary, but you get a vehicle built to last for years, handle harsh terrains, and still deliver luxury. Considering its legendary reputation and the new upgrades in this model, the pricing feels justified for buyers looking for reliability, status, and world-class performance in one package. And that wraps up our detailed review of the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser. It is stronger, smarter, more stylish, and more capable than ever, making it one of the most attractive SUVs of its class that if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Welcome back to the CR Auto channel, everyone. Today we're talking about a car that brings a new level of luxury, power, and futuristic design to the automotive world. This is the 2026 Range Rover sedan, a premium sedan built to combine style, performance, and comfort in a way only Range Rover can. If you're looking for a car that stands out in both presence and driving experience, this video is just for you. So let's jump into the full detailed review. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Range Rover sedan comes with a bold and modern design that instantly grabs attention. The slim LED headlamps, newly designed front grille, and smooth aerodynamic lines give it a very elegant yet powerful road presence. From the side, the sharp character lines and large alloy wheels add a sporty and premium touch. The rear looks extremely classy with sleek taillights and a clean, refined finish. Overall, this sedan carries the true Range Rover DNA with a fresh and futuristic twist. Now let's move to performance. The 2026 Range Rover sedan offers two powerful engine options: a refined turbocharged petrol engine and an efficient hybrid powertrain. Both engines deliver quick acceleration, smooth power delivery, and an impressive overall driving feel. The advanced suspension setup ensures a very comfortable ride even on rough roads, while the handling is sharp and controlled. The steering response feels precise, giving the driver confidence at high speeds. For a luxury sedan of this size, the fuel efficiency is surprisingly good and adds great value. Moving inside, the interior is where Range Rover truly shines. The cabin welcomes you with premium leather seats, soft-touch materials, and elegant ambient lighting that give a refined atmosphere. The dashboard features dual high-resolution touchscreens, the latest infotainment system, wireless connectivity, and AI-powered driving assistance. The rear seats offer generous legroom, making them perfect for long journeys and VIP-level comfort. A panoramic sunroof, premium sound system, and multi-zone climate control elevate the luxury experience even further. Finally, when we talk about price, the 2026 Range Rover sedan is expected to come in at a premium bracket in the international market. Prices may vary depending on the engine and feature options, but considering the design, performance, and luxury on offer, it's clear that this sedan is built for those who want top-class comfort and state-of-the-art technology. Thanks for watching this detailed review of the 2026 Range Rover sedan. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Welcome back to the CR Auto channel, everyone. Today we're diving into the brand new 2026 BMW M4, a car that continues to push the boundaries of performance, design, and modern driving technology. From the moment you see it, the new M4 makes its presence known with a sharper, wider stance and updated aggressive styling. The redesigned front grille feels more refined. The LED headlights are slimmer and more focused, and the sculpted hood lines give the car a muscular, aerodynamic appearance. The rear has also been enhanced with new quad exhaust pipes, a sleeker diffuser, and a slightly wider track that makes the car look planted and ready to attack any road. The new color options and lightweight alloy wheels also add a premium, sporty touch that truly elevates the 2026 model. Under the hood, the 2026 M4 continues to be a powerhouse. BMW has upgraded the twin-turbo, inline-six engine to deliver even sharper throttle response, smoother power delivery, and improved efficiency. The performance numbers are impressive, with acceleration feeling quicker than ever and the car pulling strongly through every gear. The steering is precise, the suspension is firm yet refined, and the adaptive M dynamics give you full control whether you're driving on the highway or carving through sharp corners. The exhaust note is deeper and more engaging, giving you that signature M performance sound every enthusiast loves. With improved brakes and better traction control software, the car feels more stable, more confident, and more responsive at high speeds. Inside, the 2026 M4 offers a cabin that blends luxury with pure sportiness. You get the new curved digital display that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless panel. The graphics are sharper, the animations are faster, and the interface is more intuitive than before. High-quality leather seats with M stitching, carbon fiber trim, ambient lighting, and a redesigned center console all come together to create a premium driving environment. The seats are supportive for spirited driving, but still comfortable for long trips. BMW has also upgraded the sound system, climate controls, and wireless connectivity to make sure the tech experience matches the performance. As for pricing, the 2026 BMW M4 comes in higher than last year due to new features and performance upgrades, but BMW has balanced it well with the value it offers. You're getting a luxurious, high-performance sports coupe that feels modern, powerful, and truly exciting. Whether you're an M enthusiast or someone looking to step into high-performance driving. The 2026 M4 delivers a complete package. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.
Welcome back to the CR Auto channel. Today we're diving into the world of luxury and refinement with the all-new 2026 Genesis G90. This flagship sedan from Genesis has always been known for blending elegance, advanced technology, and comfort at a level that challenges the best from Europe. And this new model takes things to a whole new level. The 2026 G90 has arrived with refreshed styling, even more impressive performance, and a cabin that feels like a first-class lounge on wheels. Let's take a closer look at what makes this luxury sedan stand out. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Genesis G90 commands attention with its bold yet graceful design. The signature crest grille is larger and more sculpted, complemented by sleek split LED headlights that give it a futuristic presence. The long hood, sweeping roofline, and strong shoulder lines create a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. Chrome accents and 21-inch alloy wheels add to its premium feel, while the flush door handles and seamless design elements enhance aerodynamics. Genesis has clearly mastered the art of understated luxury, where every detail feels intentional and refined. Under the hood, the 2026 G90 offers impressive performance that matches its luxurious personality. It's powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that produces around 409 horsepower and 405 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and an optional all-wheel drive system. The car delivers smooth yet confident acceleration, gliding from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds. The air suspension system ensures a silky ride, automatically adjusting for comfort or sportiness depending on your driving mode. Whether you're cruising through the city or gliding down the highway, the G90 feels serene and composed, isolating you from road noise and imperfections with ease. Step inside, and you'll understand why the G90 is often described as a moving sanctuary. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, with premium Napa leather, real wood trim, and ambient lighting that creates a calm, elegant environment. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and infotainment display blend seamlessly into the dashboard, offering a clean and modern aesthetic. Rear passengers enjoy reclining seats, built-in massage functions, and personalized climate control, luxuries that rival top-tier European sedans. Every element inside the G90 feels meticulously designed to pamper both driver and passengers. As for pricing, the 2026 Genesis G90 starts around $90,000, making it a strong value proposition compared to its German competitors. With its refined design, impressive power, and unmatched comfort, the G90 continues to prove that Genesis is a true contender in the luxury sedan world. That's it for today's review of the 2026 Genesis G90. If you enjoyed this detailed look at Genesis's flagship luxury sedan, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Welcome back to the CR Auto channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated American supercars ever made, the 2026 Corvette Zora C8 Turbo. This car takes the Corvette legacy to an entirely new level, blending raw performance with hybrid technology and futuristic design. It's the car that bridges the gap between traditional muscle and exotic hypercar precision. From the moment you see it, the Zora demands attention. The exterior is sculpted for both beauty and function, featuring a wide, low stance, aggressive front fascia, and large aerodynamic vents that channel air perfectly over the body. The signature C8 shape remains, but the Zora's details are sharper, more defined, and unmistakably performance-driven. The rear end features a bold diffuser, quad exhaust setup, and an active rear wing that adjusts to optimize downforce at high speeds. Every line of this car is engineered for speed and stability, making it as much a visual statement as it is a performance masterpiece. Under the hood, the 2026 Zora is an absolute monster. It combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with hybrid assistance to deliver over 1,000 horsepower. This powertrain makes it the most powerful Corvette ever produced, capable of hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. The hybrid system doesn't just add extra power. It sharpens throttle response and enhances traction, giving the Zora an edge on both track and street. Its dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast gear shifts, while the all-wheel drive system provides remarkable control. The handling feels razor-sharp, and the car remains stable even under extreme acceleration. This isn't just a muscle car anymore. It's a technological marvel built to challenge European supercars. Inside, the Corvette Zora continues to impress with a cockpit that feels both luxurious and race-ready. The driver-focused cabin includes premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather. The seats are sculpted for comfort and support, ensuring that even at high speeds, you feel completely in control. The digital display system is fully customizable, giving you real-time performance data, navigation, and entertainment features in a sleek, modern interface. Ambient lighting adds to the futuristic atmosphere, while the flat-bottom steering wheel and intuitive controls make the driving experience immersive and thrilling. As for the price, the 2026 Corvette Zora C8 Turbo is expected to start around $250,000, positioning it as a bargain compared to other hypercars that deliver similar performance. It's the ultimate expression of American innovation and engineering, bringing hybrid power, luxury, and extreme performance together in one stunning package. The Zora is not just another Corvette, it's the future of the brand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car reviews. See you in the next video.